Right, I'm at Lime Rock, and I don't know. I don't know how it's going to go. I did a qualifying, and I wanted to be last, and it put me bloody third.
We're going green next time by.
It's not what I wanted.
We gotta line up on the right side. Pit road is closed.
This is Sam Posey Straight, and this is what they call Big Bend. They're very good in America at really thinking about their names. And this one up here is called Left Hand Bend. And you won't believe what the next one's called. Yes, it's called Right Hand Bend. Whoa, you bugger! Oh, bloody cold tyres. Yeah, just leave me alone, you knob. God, now I've got to catch all them up and get back in third. The bloody cold tyres. What an idiot to lose it on cold tyres. At least you let me past.
Alright, man. 8 cars in. Green flag, green flag.
Yeah. Just stay where you are, you bugger. Oh, I've cut the grass.
All clear, all clear. Car on your left. Stay right. Clear on the left.
Well, I'm back where I wanted to be, so that's one thing.
Car on your left. All clear, all clear.
Right. Oh, bugger. He's going down the inside, isn't he?
Got one on your right. Clear on the right. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
Good drag out of this.
Got one on your left. Keep right there. Still there. Still there. All clear, all clear. Got one on your right.
Bugger.
Clear on the right. Got one on your right. All clear, all clear.
Piss off.
Got one on your right.
You git.
All clear, all clear. Got one on your right. Clear on the right.
Don't you bugger.
Got one on your right. All clear, all clear. Car on your left.
Piss off.
Stay right. All clear, all clear. Car on your left. Keep right there. Clear on the left. Car on your right. All clear, all clear. Got one on your right. Clear on the right. Got one on your left. All clear, all clear. Car on your left. All clear, all clear. Good job, man. You're in the top 10. Car on your left. All clear, all clear. Got one on your left. Clear on the left. Alright, man. White flag at the line. Car on your right.
You
Clear on the
bastard!
right.
I've got the bit between my teeth now. Last lap, gotta get him. Come on.
Car on your left. Still there? Hold your line. Clear on the left. Car on your right. Checkered flag this time back. Great job, driver.
Don't know where we ended up. That was a good race, actually. Good towards the end. Whew, I'm a bit wham. Got a bloody fly in my windscreen. Or a bit of oil. It looks like a bit of oil, actually. I think somebody's dumped some. There's that bloody pink thing.
The race is over.
Yeah, no, I'm going to be bloke.
Alright, that's it. Go.
God blimey. Right, okay. Yes. Paul Ellaby shows strong pace at Lime. When the checkered flag finally flew, Paul finished in 8th place. The venue came alive with the song of combustion engines and practice kicked off. A lap of 1 minute 9:53 meant that number 64 would be second place on the grid, and then messed it all up. When the checkered flag flew, Ellaby was scored outside of the top runners, and the top 5 order was, yes, I was out. View results. Lime Rock, minimum skill 25%, maximum skill 50, laps completed 10, cautions 0, caution laps 0, lead changes, nah, I didn't do that. Right, let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. I ended up 15th. Oh, look at that for a lap time. 1.25 against 0. No, my fastest lap was 1.01 or something it was, so that's cool.